In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin using Trust Wallet and Google Play. If you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking for a convenient method to purchase Bitcoin, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in and take it step by step to make sure the process is as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to open your Trust Wallet application. Once you have it up and running, you'll be greeted by a home screen showcasing several features. Among these features, you'll find options to send, swap, fund, and sell. You'll also notice the different tokens that you might have in your wallet. These features are designed to help you manage your cryptocurrency investments with ease. For our purpose today, we're focusing on adding funds. To proceed, you'll want to tap on the Fund option. This will open up a variety of payment methods available for your use, including Google Pay, Binance, and Coinbase. Today, we'll be selecting Google Pay, as it provides a direct and user-friendly way to purchase Bitcoin without needing to navigate through multiple platforms. Once you've chosen Google Pay, the next step involves deciding how much Bitcoin you want to purchase. Simply enter the amount in your preferred currency. Be mindful to double-check the amount to ensure that it's within your budget and aligns with your investment strategy. Then, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. Following this, the app will redirect you to a new page. This is where the payment via Google Pay takes place. It's an easy process, but you'll need to sign in using your Google credentials. Ensure that your Google Pay account is set up correctly with a valid payment method linked, as this will expedite the transaction. As you begin signing in, Trust Wallet and Google Pay will guide you through a series of prompts. Keep in mind to follow these prompts carefully. They're structured to ensure that your transaction is completed successfully and that your Bitcoin is smoothly added to your wallet. Remember, while using these platforms, your security is paramount. Make sure your device is secured and that you're on a trusted network during this transaction. And there you have it. You've now bought Bitcoin using Trust Wallet and Google Pay. This method not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that you can manage your investments efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, Trust Wallet's integration with Google Pay makes buying Bitcoin straightforward and stress-free. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.